Everyone's talking about side hustles these days. Financial YouTubers, bloggers, you name it. But can you actually make real money with these side hustles? I decided to test out 11 different side hustles to see if they really live up to the hype. And let me tell you, some were a complete flop, while others actually had potential. If you're looking to make extra money online, stick around because I'm going to break down what worked, what didn't, and what you should avoid at all costs. And to help you get started, I've linked free resources in the description and the top comments, so no excuses. By the way, please like and subscribe so I can keep sending you the best content for freelancers like you. Now, let's dive in. Side hustle number 1, sell stock photo. We've all seen those super polished stock images that are online, but did you know that you can actually get paid for them? 2 years ago, this was a solid hustle, but with AI generating ultra-realistic photos, it's getting harder to stand out. If you're an experienced photographer, you can still upload your work in stock image library, but don't expect overnight success. Selling stock photos is a slow burn. Don't bank on making $500 a day anytime soon. Side hustle number 2, provide companionship and domestic help. This one was unexpected, but hear me out. Companies like Papa actually pay part-time gig workers to help older adults with errands, household chores, or even just conversation. They claim you can make around $22 per hour. The catch? It's an in-person work and you need to pass a background check. But if you enjoy helping others and want a flexible schedule, this could be a decent option. Side hustle number 3, become a mystery shopper. Retailers pay people to visit stores and report back on their experience. You might snap some photos of produce, review customer services, or test out a service. It's easy money, but don't expect to make much. Most tasks pay between $5 to $15, so unless you're already out and about, this won't replace your 9 to 5. Side hustle number 4, cash back apps. Apps like Upside promise to give you cash back on everyday purchases like gas and groceries. While you won't get rich, you can pocket an extra $10 to $30 per month. It's basically free money, but let's be real, it isn't a business model. It's just a little bonus. Side hustle number 5, sell your school notes. Platforms like StudyPool let students sell their old course notes, homework, and test prep materials. Sounds easy? Right. Well, the company claims that you can earn up to $5,000 per month. But the reality is you'll probably make around $10 per document. It's not bad if you already have collections of high-quality notes, but it's definitely not a gold mine. Side hustle number 6, charge scooters and e-bikes. Ever wondered who charges all those Lime scooters? Turns out that you can get paid to do it too. The downside? You need a large vehicle, buy your own chargers, and cover your own electricity and gas costs. The pay ranges from $5 to $12 per scooter, but after expenses, it might not be worth the hassle. Side hustle number 7, online notary services. Platforms like Notary Live and OneNotary will let you verify identities and notarize documents. If you are already a notary or willing to get certified, this could be an easy way to make extra cash. Otherwise, the setup might not be worth it. Side hustle number 8, do tiny tasks online. Sites like Tolica pay you pennies for micro tasks like tagging images, transcribing short clips, or answering simple questions. If you're looking for easy work, this is it. But let's be honest, just a few cents per task, you'll have to grind all day to see real money. Side hustle number 9, complete online surveys. Yes, you can actually get paid for surveys, but honestly also, it may not be worth the trouble. Some companies are ready to hire, but surveys aren't always available, and they often disqualify you after wasting your time. If you are looking for a low-effort way to make a few bucks, then go for it. But if you want to make serious money, skip this one. Side hustle number 10, create and sell low-content books, journals, planners, and coloring books are all considered low-content books, and people are making serious money selling them. The catch? You need good designs, keyword research, and some marketing skills to get sales. This isn't a quick money hustle, but it has long-term potential. Side hustle number 11, proofreading. This is where things start to look more real as a freelance work. Proofreading is in demand, and if you have a sharp eye for details, you can make $20 to $30 per hour. It's not as flashy as other side hustles, but it's one of the more reliable options if you have the skills. Bottom line, some of these side hustles are just glorified ways to make extra cash, but not real income stream. If you want to make serious money, start by looking at what you're already good at and turning that into a freelance work. That's where the real money is. If you want to make serious money, start by looking at what you're already good at and turning that into freelance work. That's where the real money is. I've linked free resources to help you get started in the top comments and the description, so go check them out. And if you have found this video helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe for more, and let me know in the comment below which hustle you would like to try first. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, be freelantastic.